Have you ever wanted a clock that you could set without ever leaving the comforts of your bed? Meet Ivee Digit, the voice interactive talking alarm clock. Just speak and she listens. Maxi Aids is proud to introduce Ivee, the clock you can't live without. This clock will tell you the time, date, and temperature. All you have to do is simply ask. Ivee has 5 buttons on the front of the clock for manual operation. Alarm 1, Alarm 2, Timer, Plus, and Minus. Located on the back are switches for more manual operations, including voice volume and alarm volume. Also located on the back is the USB port for power. Hello, Ivee.
Command, please.
Settings.
Would you like to set time, date, voice, alarm greeting, or greeting music?
Time.
Please tell me the current time.
11:05 a.m.
The time is set to 11:05 a.m.
Hello, Ivee.
Command, please.
Settings.
Would you like to set time, date, voice, alarm greeting, or greeting music?
Date. Then what you're going to do is you're going to press the plus or minus to scroll through the days. And if you continue scrolling, you will get to the next month. Then tap the clock. Then press the plus or minus to set the year. Press it again to confirm. Hello, Ivee.
Yes?
Set alarm 1.
Please tell me the time you would like alarm 1 to sound. For example, 7:30 a.m.
5 o'clock a.m.
Alarm 1 is set for 5 o'clock a.m.
Hello, Ivee.
Command, please.
Set timer.
Please tell me the length of the time you would like to set the timer for. For example, you can say 1 hour and 20 minutes. Timer has a 10-hour maximum.
1 hour, 45 minutes.
4. Say, sound 1, 4. Say, sound 2, 4. Say, sound 3.
Sound 2.
Timer will play. Timer is set for 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Let Ivee be your hands-free, personal assistant. Hello, Ivee.
How can I help you?
Time.
The current time is 11:30 a.m.
For more information on this and other low vision products, please visit our website at www.maxiaids.com, the #1 source for all your special needs.